So Alex, just introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Alex Baker, one of the anaesthetists here.
Okay. How do you feel about ventilation recovery? The latest trend is to try to avoid that because we haven't got the staff. Do you feel the same way?
Look, it's difficult. There are patients that need to be ventilated afterwards. Some of them need to be in ICU, and it's a matter of the resources. If a patient, if there isn't a bed in ICU, then they need to be ventilated in recovery. Probably we need to staff the theatre complex so that we can do that, rather than saying no, we can't do it.
Have you found lately that that's the case, that we can't do it because we're not staffed properly for it?
Yes, and it's meant that the registrars have had to stay in recovery looking after patients when they could be doing other things.
Do you feel that the staff are recognised for what they do, and the more senior staff or more experienced staff recognised for what they do in recovery?
Probably I don't think they are recognised enough. Yep. So they do a lot of, the ones that are capable of looking after the ICU patients are asked to do it all the time, and they're maybe not thanked for their efforts.
Okay. Thank you very much, Alex.
Okay.